feeling overwhelmed by too many workspaces in your Webflow account? Let's simplify your dashboard by learning how to delete an unwanted workspace. Begin by accessing your Webflow account settings. This is typically done by clicking on your profile icon, which is usually located in the upper right corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Account Settings. This action will take you to a dedicated page for managing your Webflow account details. On the Account Settings page, find and click on the Billing and Account tab. This section houses all administrative controls for your Webflow workspaces and billing. Within the Billing and Account area, navigate to the Workspaces tab. This will display a comprehensive list of all the workspaces you currently have access to. Carefully identify the specific workspace you intend to delete from the list to the right of the workspace's name. You will find a settings icon, often represented by a gear. Please click on this icon. A contextual menu will drop down within this menu. Locate and select the Delete Workspace option. Double-check that you have chosen the correct workspace before proceeding, as this action is irreversible. To prevent accidental deletions, Webflow will present a confirmation modal. This dialog will explicitly warn you that deleting a workspace is a permanent action with no recovery option, detailing any sites or billing plans that will be affected. If you are absolutely sure about your decision, click the Final Delete Workspace button within the confirmation dialog to finalize the removal. Congratulations! Your workspace has now been successfully deleted, contributing to a tidier and more manageable Webflow dashboard. Regularly reviewing and decluttering your workspaces ensures an efficient and streamlined workflow.